welcome back to my YouTube channel. तो कैसे हैं आप सब?
I hope you all are enjoying my reviews, liking my review lesson functions. So make of one loss over there, my review may could be very one long math-based function in that core.
Different type of math functions. Round, round up, round down, integer, absolute, square.
Zero, mod, hem down, ceiling, floor, rand, and that. Shortly,
I'll first show you what is rand function. Rand is a number between 0 and 1. And what is rand between? Any number between given two numbers 1 and 10. This is about rand and rand between function. Now I will show you, we'll talk about round function. So round off this one, comma, just write round.
you turn that with the argument, lesson done.
0 for the sake, it will limit to 63.
You know, made up. If I write it just goes to 2.6, it is more than 2.5 Caesar, split it on it up there, 2.3, let's say 1. They already do 2.6. Let's see round down.
Sorry, round up. Let's do round up. This function number is this. Number of digits. Let's say 0. It will give me 733. But if I give round digit as 1,
Okay, the Mr. went to the 9, little longer than then round down.
in the case of round down, this is my number.
If I give 1, I give 0, so this is 10.
Sorry, it will be round down, so it is giving me 15. And if I give it one digit, 15.9. Then we have as integer. So this value we can turn into integer. And then we have absolute.
Absolute value of minus 98.56. Then the absolute value, then the square root.
Let's take square root of this number 49, which will give me 7. Next we have mod. Mod of this number divided by 3. So this should give me
1. This we have m down.
m round. Let us zoom m round up here. M round. This is my number. Suppose multiple is 1. So it should be 49. If the multiple is 2,
This will be 48, 50. Nearest multiple. If the multiple is 3,
then it should give 48. If the multiple is 4, then again it should give 48. If it is 5,
then it should give 15. 6 will give 48, because S is a 48. 7 will be 49. 7 is a 49. 8 is a 48, 8 will be 48. 9 will be 45. And 10 will be 50. Here's where the This we have
ceiling and floor. Let's do from here. Ceiling of 262.64. Significance 1. So it should give me 263. And if I take floor of the same, so So it should give me 462. Suppose if I take ceiling of minus 958.56, it should give me minus 958. And if I take ceiling floor of the same number, it should give me minus 959. So that's all about math-based functions. We saw a round function. This is a round function, round up function,
round down function, phase azimuth function, integer function, spiral function, log function. Here we saw end round function. Here we saw hidden function, for catcher. Then we saw four functions, hidden function. And here we saw the learn function and learn within functions. So that's all about math-based functions. In the next review, we will be talking about text-based functions, which is one of the most important way you open tab functions. If you look a bit into all other functions, text-based functions are one of the most important functions of lesson. That's all. Happy learning. All the best. And please like, member, subscribe to my channel. Thank me.